Welcome to Polished Sanity Vibe Affirmations. These are affirmations for entrepreneurs who want to manifest a thriving business and create the freedom of work, life, travel, all on their own terms. So, if you're ready for a thriving business, be sure to listen to these affirmations on repeat every day for 31 days. Enjoy. Your business is thriving. You work whenever you want and wherever you want. You take business trips whenever you want. You are the creator of your own destiny. You have built a thriving business that supports your lifestyle. You work whenever you want, wherever you want. You have the freedom. You have the flexibility. You are prioritizing what matters most. Your business is successful because you are passionate. Your business is successful because you are dedicated. Your business is successful because you are focused. You deserve customers with excellence. You deserve customers with integrity. You attract abundance. You attract prosperity. Your financial goals are met and your savings goals are growing. You enjoy the fruits of your labor and celebrate your achievements. You travel to beautiful destinations. You experience new cultures. You experience luxury. You experience the life of your dreams. Your business is thriving. You deserve it all. You have everything that you want. You have everything that you want. Your business is thriving.